Hello friends, this is Raghavendra. Today I am going to teach you what is Python PIP installer, how to use it, how can use different PIP commands, how to download and install PIP installer. So basically PIP is a package manager for Python. That means it's a tool. It's kind of tool that allows you to install and manage additional libraries dependencies that are not distributed as a part of standard libraries. Basically PIP already a part of Python installer which is already installed with your Python installer whenever you install the Python on your window. So it is very simple to use PIP to install different libraries and packages, modules in your application. So I'll tell you, first of all you have to check the Python version which is installed or not on your PC by typing the command Python. So here you can check the Python version on your PC is on my PC is 3.7.3. So now Python is already installed. You can open the command prompt. Now check if Python is installed or not on your computer by typing the command So here you can see the PIP already installed on my Python package. The version of PIP is 20.0.2 and the location of the PIP is this, you can see, and the version of Python is 3.7. Now if PIP is not installed on your computer, so first you have to download it from the internet. The file name is kit.pip.py. You have to download this file from the internet, and once it's downloaded, open a command prompt and navigate to the folder containing this file. It is an installer, it is a PIP installer, keep in your mind. So now you will install it by command Python. Once you will enter it, the PIP will be installed on your computer. Now you are free to use it. The first command, as I show you earlier, use PIP. Wait. Now you can check the version. The next command you can try is PIP help. Now here you can see the different PIP commands like install, to install the package, download, to download the packages, uninstall the packages, freeze, list, show, check. So it will show you, it will install, download, uninstall, and it will also list the packages installed on your computer, on your Python version. Now I will fire on more command list. Now you will see the result here. It will take. Now check. Here are all the libraries installed on my PC. These all the list shown here in this command prompt. You can see all the packages, libraries, modules are installed. I have installed all the packages earlier by using PIP. So this is how you can use the PIP command. It is very easy to use and very helpful. In next video, I will show you how to use different commands of PIP installer. I'll show you in my next video. So watch this video and comment if there is any about this video. If you have any question, you have doubts, then you can ask me in comment section. I'll respond you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and of course subscribe my channel to get the more informative videos, technical videos. Thank you so much, guys.